Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a simple step-by-step guide on how to set Live Spaces notifications to silent on the X app. If you've ever been interrupted by constant alerts but still want to stay connected, this will help you keep everything under control without completely turning off notifications. Let's get started. First, begin by opening the settings on your phone. Instead of heading straight into the X app, we'll be working through your device's own settings, since that's where notification options are managed. Scroll until you find the section labeled Apps and tap on it. Once you're there, search for the X app in your list of installed applications and select it. Inside the app settings, you'll see different options that help you manage how the app behaves on your phone. The one we're focusing on today is Notifications. Go ahead and tap on Notifications. Now, instead of just toggling all alerts on or off, we're going to dig a little deeper. Look for the option called Notification Categories. This is where you can manage specific types of notifications instead of treating them all the same. Tap on it to open the full list. Among those notification categories, you should see one labeled Live Spaces. This is the section dedicated specifically to alerts you get whenever someone you follow goes live in Spaces. Tap on Live Spaces. Inside, you'll see settings that let you decide how those notifications appear on your device. To keep things quiet without silencing them entirely, select the Silent option. This means you'll still receive Live Spaces alerts, but your phone won't buzz or make a sound whenever one comes through. It's a great way to stay notified while keeping distractions to a minimum. And that's it. You've now successfully set Live Spaces notifications to silent on the X app. It only takes a minute, but it makes a huge difference in controlling how often your phone interrupts you. Now you can stay updated on what matters most without all the noise. Thanks for following along.